In this video, I will show you how to make a program for Kaspersky. Means making your one client. First will be make a video player. Second will be make a recorder. Third will be make a graphics player. For this, you will need a graphical user interface to make the program. That's known as VB.NET 2019 community version. So I will download this IDE. It is a small exe file. When downloaded, install it. It will install from the internet directly. I have already downloaded it and install it, and now I will open it. 2019 Visual Studio 2019. I will select a new project, create a new project. I have to make Windows Form application, so I will select Windows Form application. Next, I am giving a name test 500. Create. So it will be created. By default a form comes. I will add some reference about Kaspersky which I have in my Kasper Media Playback folder. Its name is svt.casper and svt.network. Two DLLs are there. I will add them. Okay. Now I will change the configuration of this program to 86, means 32-bit. This application will be of 32-bit, that is known as x86. Now I will change the name of this form which will be shown. Now it is form 1. I will name it my test program. Now I will run it to see how it works. Means without doing, you got a form, you got a working form. Nothing was there, so I will add a button. Its name is I am naming it connect button, and I will program it to do when it is clicked. So first I will import the reference. Import svt.casper and import svt.network. These are two import, same thing which we have referenced earlier. Now I will initialize a variable. Let us name it at AA as new Kasper device. Kasper device means Kaspersky server. So AA.connect. Where to connect? IP address and port. So IP address of the local computer is 127.0.0.1 and port number on which Kaspersky runs is always 5250. So this button when clicked will connect to Kaspersky server. So Kaspersky server is not running. Now I will start 2.1 Kaspersky server. So this is screen consumer and that is command window. So I have pressed the connect button and it shows that it is accepted connection from 127.0.0.1. So it has accepted the connection, means it is connection is working. Now I will make another button to play video. I have named it play. So that Kasper device which you have connected will now send strings. Kasper says you accept AMCP simple command text protocol. So that's name is play11 file. So here I will give a name of the file as AMP. AMP is resides in the Kasper media folder. See Kasper says underscore media. AMP file is already there. I have written here the file name to play. So first step is connect. Always it will first connection will be done. Only then you can send command. So connect. So it is accepted connection. There is received message and it has accepted the connection. Now play. So it is playing the given file. That's name is AMB. So the second button is also working. So you have made a video player. Now I will make a recorder. Close this and again have a new button. I have copied the same thing. I will first make a button for stopping that playing video. So I will copy the same syntax and paste it. Only I have to change the command, means that was playing and it will stop. So stop 1 Now test it. Connect button, connect. It has accepted the connection. Accepted the connection. Now play button. The play it will play, and stop button will stop the playing file. So you have made button to play and button to stop. Now I will make a button for recording. So name it as record. Now I will make a button to stop the recorder also. I will name it as stop record. Now click that, double click, and you will go to the directly to code handler. So a.send string. For recording, MCP command is add one file and file name. So let us give name as xyz.mp4. And for stopping record, we will not record here because we will have to stop the record also to see the file. So for stopping, I will write another command to remove one file. Similar little difference is there between stop and record. So remove one file. So first will be connect button. Without connecting, you can't do anything. So connect, accepted connection, and play something, and now record. So it is saying that add OK, means it is recording, and file name is C Kaspersky _media xyz.mp4. Now stop record. Now the recording has stopped, uninitialized. Now we will see what is there in the recorded file. C Kaspersky media xyz.mp. So it has been created. Now you can see xyz.mp4 has been recorded. Now we will make another button to play a graphics. For graphics, you have to first make a graphics. We are using Adobe Flash Professional 5.5 for making a graphics. We will start it. You have to install in your computer. So graphics for Kaspersky it is made in Adobe Flash Professional. Version will be different. I am using 5.5. So its interface is there. Here select Kasper Pulp SD50 field. So timeline, new layer, add a strip, change its color so that it is visible. Let us make a blue color, a strip. Now lock this layer, new layer. I will take a text, change this color to yellow. and I am writing something by default something and changing the font to some other, it is Algerian, and I will increase the size 51. Now I will give it a name F0. Now save this file to C Casper CG in a folder. Making a new folder, test, suppose it is test 500. Now in that folder you save your file, name it as my template 1. Save. Now this generate FT file is panel comes from Windows other panel FT generator. So you have to click to make the FT. That was made FLA file. Now it will make a FT file, and that is successfully created my template.1.ft file. Now I will link this file in my application to play this graphics. So play graphics. I will name this button as play graphics. And I will make a button to stop graphics also. Graphics. So you double click, you will go to directly to code. I will make a variable here also for data to pass to the template. So let us name it as BB. So name BB as Casper CG data collection. That's name is Casper CG data collection. So that's variable name is Casper CG data collection. Now I will write the code. This for playing the graphics, we have to set the data of the F0, which I have put on this on the graphics. So this F0 I am replacing with Suresh. I have given the variables as a Suresh. Now A is the Casper device channel 0 CG. So that will add on layer number 15 to layer number flash layer number 15, and test 500 is the folder name, and my template 1 is the name of the template. True will play the file loading, and bb.2x amcp script xml is the data which you have set. Means all this is all, there is only one data F0, and that value is Suresh. Now we will make BB as new Casper CG data collection. New Casper CG data collection. Now I will run and see. First will be connect, then play the graphics. You can see here it is playing. While designing it was Vimlesh, now it is Suresh because I have changed the data. Now we will like to change that value from our client. So make a text box. I am writing here something by default Ganesh, and I will set that data F0 to take value from that text box 1.text. Now I will test it, the application. So first will be connect button, play button, Ganesh. So you can see the Ganesh. So I am changing Ganesh 1 2 3 and play. So Ganesh 1 2 3. So variable value is taken by this text box Arun, and now you can play the graphics with different, same graphics with different value. Now in the same way we can play different file also. Now I am playing the AMB file only, but we can have a text box there in which you can write the name of the file. So I am copying the Ganesh text box and putting its value to red. Now we can write here change the code so that it takes the file name value from the text box, and text box 2.text, that's name is textbox2. Now we will test the application. So it is running. Now first is connect, then play means read. See the file being played in the background, green, so play 1 green. Now Kabhi Kabhi, I know there is a file name Kabhi Kabhi in media folder, so writing the name of that file Kabhi Kabhi will play the file Kabhi Kabhi. So it is playing. Now stop, so it is stopping. In the same way you can have a text box, because for recording we are recording xyz.mp4. in the same way I can have a text box there, so that xyz.mp4 variable value will be taken from that text. So I will modify the code, add one file and text box 3.text. Add one file and file name variable will be taken from text box 3.text. Now test the application. Now I will write some other name of the file being recorded. So see the Casper CG. I will first connect and play some file, suppose red. So this red and the graphics both will be recorded to T100. Add one file. You can see the command given, add one file T100. So it will not record because MP4 extension is not given. Now T.mp4. So add OK means it is recording. Now stop the recording and you can see T100.mp4 file has been recorded. Now it will contain whatever there was on the line, it will record as a single file. Thank you very much.